Amazing road construction machines used in the construction of roads, such as soil compactors, excavators, STiM Kontur machines, and large paving machines. These are the 10 most amazing road construction machines. 10. Python 5000 Pothole Patcher. This is a self-propelled machine used to repair potholes and damaged roads. The machine is compact and cost-effective on the street, allowing you to keep the roads in good condition at a reasonable cost. The patches are laid with a regular asphalt mix, and the machine can continually repair significant gaps and joints. One person can complete the entire cycle, and a patch takes about 2 minutes to create. Hydraulic rollers ensure optimum compaction of the asphalt mixture and thus the long service life of the road surface. An undeniable advantage is working in low temperatures and even in the rain. 9. Excavator. Excavators carry out demanding earth-moving tasks that are essential to numerous construction projects. These excavators come in a variety of sizes, from small models to enormous, heavy excavators that weigh more than 2 million pounds. Whichever kind of road construction you conduct, excavation is a given. Excavators offer superior performance, unmatched versatility, and exceptional fuel efficiency. You can advance your business by using the most up-to-date safety and technological features, amazing durability, and straightforward operation. An excavator, also known as a digger, is a large piece of construction equipment used to dig out dirt and rock and load it into a dump truck. The excavator's boom, bucket, and cab are mounted on a rotating platform above a wheeled or tracked under machinery. By changing the front attachment, they can handle a wide range of tasks. 8. GOMACO 4400 Barrier Paver. This is a concrete mixer, specially designed for building barricades. It has a 99 horsepower motor that runs at 11 meters per minute, and the manufacturer supplies additional molds to produce not only guardrails, but also railings, curbs, gutters, and walkways. Its main feature is its unique management system, which allows you to choose the direction of movement of the legs, as well as its height and width design. The maximum height of the obstacles is 1 meter, and the width of the pitch is 2.5 meters. The machine is designed to provide reliable, safe, and efficient service. 7. Road Roller Machine. A road roller, sometimes called a roller compactor, is one of the most important road building machines. As a result, road rollers are a typical sight on construction sites. A road roller is a road roller type engineering machine that is mainly used in the construction of roads and foundations to compact dirt, gravel, concrete, or asphalt. The type of roller used in road work depends on the mixture used. Rubber tire rollers, tandem asphalt rollers, and combination rollers are all available. In compaction work, several types of rollers are used, depending on the job and the materials to be compacted. These include smooth drum rollers, vibratory rollers, sheepfoot rollers, and pneumatic tire rollers. 6. QMB. Every day, millions of hours are wasted in traffic bottlenecks around the world. This machine solves this problem step by step by quickly changing the position of obstacles between tracks, allowing you to change the number of lanes in each direction and tailor the path to the current situation. Most of the barricades this machine places resemble zippers. This particular machine has a huge load capacity thanks to the barrier section, which can weigh up to 450 kilograms. There is an S-shaped teleportation channel inside the device, listing barrier fragments and then teleporting to the other side, one at a time. The QMB machine is capable of moving sections from 1 meter to 7 meters. Work is done at 5 to 10 miles per hour and moves within the same lane without disturbing other machines. 5. GOMACO GP3. This machine is one of the smartest road packers in the world, capable of laying floors up to 9.14 meters wide. It adapts to changes in size quickly and simply, thanks to the clever telescoping of the maximum frame extension and automatic steering arrangement. In practice, the sensitive sensor system provides excellent performance and reduces fuel use. All details of the machine are controlled, and the machine can be adapted to any task and working condition. In addition, the operating speed of the machine can be controlled and other procedures can be automated, greatly simplifying operations and increasing production. The track bearings are not only adjustable, but also swivel around their axis, allowing uninterrupted pouring of concrete, even under difficult conditions. STiM Kontur 700 TPK. Unlike other similar machines that use specific types of paint, the Kontur 700 TPK is from a Belarusian company. This is designed to apply horizontal road markings on asphalt and cement roads. The machine can be painted with thermoplastic, quick-drying enamel with reflective glass beads. 2 quarts of paint and 2 spray guns are included with the machine. Markers can be placed on the left or right side of the machine, and the operating settings can be modified according to the task and operating conditions. The TPK 700 circular saw can draw lines with widths from 5 to 40 centimeters. The valve opening control system allows the application of continuous and intermittent lines while varying profiles and patterns. Machines operate at speeds between 1 and 5 kilometers per hour and can reach a maximum speed of 12 kilometers per hour. It is handled by 2 people, but can also work without one. NEXTRENCHER D250. The manufacturer offers 3 alternative variants of this machine. The Trench D250 has a maximum working depth of 0.8 meters and a working width of 8 to 30 centimeters. The NEXTRENCHERs, RD200 and D80, have the same excavation depth, but the working width ranges from 15 to 20 centimeters for the first version and 8 to 30 centimeters for the second version. This is the articulated equipment of the excavator. The machine is designed to handle a variety of materials, including concrete and asphalt. It should be noted that the disc trencher only uses 1 lane when it is working, causing minimal disturbance to traffic. The machine has high performance and can even operate in difficult conditions, such as rocky terrain. The sidewalks are cut precisely and cleanly, ensuring that the trenches are a perfect match to the dimensions required for the project. 2. GOMACO CC1200. This machine is a slip form used to build curbs. The machine has specific auxiliary equipment for pressing asphalt and concrete curbs. Its main advantage is its ability to operate even in difficult concrete. It is also small enough to be transported with special loading equipment. To improve maneuverability, the operator can manually control the front wheels, which are equipped with a tracking system and hydraulic drive. The press molds can be easily replaced, speeding up the production process and allowing the vehicle to be used for various activities. Standard molds allow the manufacture of walkways with heights between 305 mm and 356 mm and a working radius of 600 mm. The curb stone can be located on the left or right side of the vehicle, and the position of the mold can be adjusted to work even on narrow roads and tight spaces. 1. Allcons Series EL. The machine is a bucket ladder excavator built for the construction of canals with a width of more than 9 meters. The main feature of this finishing machine is that it performs the functions of a standard excavator on the construction site while improving the quality of work as it works faster and more accurately. The machine has a power of 300 horsepower and allows the channel shape to be changed to reduce concrete loss. It can excavate 102 to 180 cubic meters of soil per hour, depending on the surface strength. The excavation depth is 3 meters in one way. The vehicle's operating speed ranges from 0 to 7 meters per minute, with a top speed of 18 meters per hour. The excavator's buckets contain interchangeable teeth, greatly extending their life. It can work on both horizontal and inclined ground, and only needs to change the angle of inclination. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below what video you would like to see next. Make sure you subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon, and click on the screen to check out the next video.